Think the Sierra 2500 is the truck for you? Compare it to the Ford Super Duty. It beats Sierra in many ways. The Super Duty has best-in-class towing. The Sierra doesn't. The Super Duty also has best-in-class payload. Again, the Sierra does not. And the Super Duty offers an available trailer reverse guidance system, which makes backing up trailers a cinch. Plus, its 6.7-liter Power-Stroke diesel engine generates 925 pound-feet of torque, going further to provide strong features. That's Ford, and that's how you become America's best-selling brand.